Okay, let's do a comparison of the NIU versus the RORRY. Both are portable charging banks. All right, capacity versus reality. This one, the RORRY, heavier and bulkier. This one, the NIU, is smaller but intentional, designed for emergencies, not hauling around a brick. Portability, both, okay? This one, purse or backpack charger, and you notice it's bigger. This one, the NIU, it is keychain sized, pocket friendly, and is going to really disappear in your bag until you need it. For me, that's what matters most. Okay, everyday use. This is going to be good for long travel days when you know you're going to need multiple full charges, okay? This one, the NIU, is better for real life. Errands, events, hiking, when your phone just really betrays you. Apple Watch charging. Works, slower, really, it's slower. Noticeably faster when I charge my Apple Watch, and clearly optimized for watch users, okay? I like the fact that you turn this on and you could see the charge. There is no display here. You turn it on and you could just see it right there, okay? Design and simplicity. Everything in here is all in one, but I don't like the cords that come out of here. This one is cleaner. It is lighter, fewer compromises. And I like the USB-C cable and the watch charger without all that excessive bulk, okay? The weight. This one's heavier, and you feel it. This one's about 4 ounces, okay? Heavier, 4 ounces, all right? So, what do we got here? Bottom line, maximum capacity. This one is okay, the RORRY. If you want a charger you're actually going to carry every day, this is the smarter choice. The NIU, it's the smarter choice. It's not trying to replace a wall outlet. It's just trying to save your day. And this one does it better.